Vocabulary Quiz 6.7. Read each question and circle the correct answer. My blank all came together at the family reunion. Major, kin, pardon, seldom. Number 2. Sally is very blank for a 3-year-old. She always says please and thank you. Obsolete, minor, courteous, compensated. Number 3. I had a blank problem during my test. My pencil broke. Luckily, I had another one handy. Minor, luxurious, seldom, dedicated. Number 4. I asked the teacher to blank me for being so late 2 days in a row. Dedicate, major, compensate, pardon. Number 5. That old computer is blank. It doesn't have the capability to play games. Seldom, courteous, obsolete, major. Number 6. If you dedicate a book to someone, you give it to them, show that you wrote it with them in mind, send it back to the bookstore for a refund, write them a really long letter. Number 7. A major actor would probably not be recognized in public, just do acting as a hobby, get paid a lot of money, not receive fan mail. Number 8. Which of these is a way in which someone is usually compensated? An umbrella, a paycheck, the flu, an excuse. Which of the following sentences is an example of the word seldom? My family rarely goes to the movies. Brian is quite polite to his teachers. Our TV is too old to be fixed. The car crash caused a huge traffic jam. And number 10. What would be a luxury for a dog? A crate, a leash, a steak dinner, a visit to the veterinarian.